Good morning. It's day 16, February 10. Heading back to the shop to do some work. I'll catch you later. Okay, for day 16, just made another copy of this one. That will be removed and be replaced by this one. Okay, after doing some orbital sanding, few more stubborn paint and fillers left behind, but the metal is showing itself perfectly fine. Although there are lots of repair here, we'll see what we can do. Yes, it's February 16. It's our 20th day on the Bugeye project. However, my last update or my last video was day 16. Yeah, day 16. I got sick, so I was out for about 5 days. I wasn't able to go to the shop to check on them or the development. So today it's day 20, February 16, and I'll be heading to the shop. Okay, so sama lang kayo. Good morning, we're back at the resort, or sorry, at the shop, at my shop, at the back of the resort. So let's see what they've been doing now. Okay, so for the progress of the under chassis, he has already built up the frame for the floor panel frame, gauge 14, plain sheet, and he has already molded the floor pan. Wow. Nice. It's already molded. February 18 and it's day 21, I think. I was out again for several days because my dog just got just gave birth, so I need to attend to my English Bulldog puppies right now. So seldom I couldn't go here to the shop, but let's see what they finish on the past few days. Okay, join me. Now for the wow, the floor panel is done. Although the right side though, not yet the left side, but it's getting there. Yeah, ito yung sa battery. Tama, dito yung sa battery, no? Yeah. So he has done molding the floor panel or floor pan. Na-weld mo na rin to? Welded na rin siya? Welded sa ilalim or
Sa ilalim.
pati dito ay welded.
Ano lang yan? Kasi mapangit eh. Hindi, gawa ng yung welding rod.
Okay.
Kailangan may parang hindi butas-butas.
Okay.
Ito, dadagdagan ko lang sa ilalim.
Okay. So floor panel is done for the right side. And he's working on the floor panel on the left side. We're getting there.